Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy F05 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Let's tap. Then let's tap on the ringtone, and here we've got pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. Here we've got the option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call, and this plus icon in the right upper corner will transfer you to your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone from those pre-installed ones sounds, simply tap on it. And this is how it works. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that this option is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.